Hello everyone, my name is Hasi and welcome back to my channel Hasi.To Me Prayanam. Today we are diving into the heart of Las Vegas, the iconic Fremont Street. This street is in downtown Las Vegas and is one of the most famous streets in the Las Vegas Valley. Besides that, this is a completely different world from Las Vegas Strip. If you are looking for a electrifying energy and complete entertainment, you are at the right place. Okay then, without any further delay, let's get started. If you are coming by car to downtown Las Vegas, you can park your car in Fremont Street Experience. It costs $5 per an hour. From the parking, you can directly walk to the Fremont Street Experience. Right now we are in Fremont Street, Las Vegas. It is one of the major highlights here in the Fremont Street Experience. A dazzling light show that transforms the entire street into a visual spectacle. Here you can see the LED screen stretches across the sky, and every night it comes to life with vibrant colors and music. And one more thing, what makes this street famous is this is absolutely free to visit. Anyone can visit this street. This Fremont Street is home to some legendary hotels and casinos. If you are planning to stay here in downtown Las Vegas, it's a good option. The energy here is contagious. As you walk along this Fremont Street, you will encounter a diverse array of street performers, musicians, and artists. From talented musicians to quirky characters, there's always something entertaining happening around every corner. It's part of what makes this place so unique and lively. The Viva Vision show happens here from 6 p.m. to 2 a.m. and the show plays every 1 hour and it lasts for 6 to 7 minutes. The another thing you can do here is the zipline. There are two different types of options you can find here. One is Zipzilla, which is zipline. It is $49 per ticket, and next one is the superhero zoom, which is zoom line. It is $69. The zipline timings are from 12 p.m. to 2 a.m. But before going there, just check their website and go. Sometimes you can also witness the live performances if you are lucky. Alright, there you have it, the Fremont Street in all its glory. I can say this is the must visit place, and if you are in Las Vegas, don't miss it. If If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more adventures. Thanks for joining me on this journey through one of the Las Vegas most iconic streets. Until next time, stay adventurous. Bye bye.